Modern Marketing. Mastercam X5 is a computer-aided design CAD and computer-aided manufacturing CAM software developed by CNC Software, Inc. It is used for designing and programming parts and tool paths for CNC machines. Some of the key features of Mastercam X5 include: 1. 2D and 3D CAD modeling. Mastercam X5 offers a comprehensive set of tools for creating 2D and 3D models, including wireframe, surface, and solid modeling. 2. Toolpath creation. The software allows users to create tool paths for a wide range of CNC machines, including milling machines, lathes, and routers. It supports a range of cutting strategies, such as contouring, pocketing, drilling, and more. 3. Simulation. Mastercam X5 includes a simulation module that allows users to simulate the machining process and check for any errors or collisions before running the program on the actual machine. 4. Post-processing. The software includes a range of post-processors that can generate code for a variety of CNC machines, ensuring that the code is tailored to the specific machine being used. 5. Customization. Mastercam X5 can be customized to meet the specific needs of a user or organization. It includes apps and other tools for creating custom extensions or integrations with other software. Overall, Mastercam X5 is a powerful software package that provides a comprehensive set of tools for designing and programming parts for CNC machines. It is widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing. Sure. Here are the basic steps for drawing and programming a part for a CNC lathe machine using Mastercam X5. One. Create a new lathe part file. Open Mastercam X5 and select lathe from the machine type drop-down menu. Then, click File greater than New to create a new part file. 2. Draw the part. Use the CAD tools. In Mastercam X5 to draw the part, you can use the wireframe, surface, and solid modeling tools to create the geometry of the part. Be sure to include any necessary dimensions and tolerances. 3. Define the stock, define the size and shape of the raw material that will be used to create the part. You can do this by using the stock setup function in Mastercam X5. 4. Create the tool paths. Use the CAM tools in Mastercam X5 to create the tool paths for the lathe machine. This involves defining the cutting operations, such as roughing, finishing, and drilling, and selecting the appropriate cutting tools. Five. Simulate the tool paths. Use the simulation module in Mastercam X5 to simulate the tool paths and check for any errors or collisions. This will help ensure that the program runs smoothly and safely on the lathe machine. 6. Generate the code. Once you have verified the tool paths, you can use the post-processing function in Mastercam X5 to generate the G-code that the lathe machine will use to create the part. Seven. Transfer the code to the lathe machine. Transfer the G-code to the lathe machine using the appropriate method, such as via USB drive or network connection. 8. Run the program. Load the raw material onto the lathe machine and run the program. The lathe machine will use the G-code to create the part according to the defined tool paths. These are the basic steps for drawing and programming a part for a CNC lathe machine using Mastercam X5. However, it is important to note that this is a complex process that requires a deep understanding of both the software and the lathe machine itself. It is recommended that you receive proper training and guidance before attempting to use Mastercam X5 for CNC lathe programming. Thanks for watching and learning. Please subscribe my channel and learn more. I start next Mastercam X5 classes in Urdu with English subtitles.